What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I'd like to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think about all the content, all the videos, everything. And let's get straight into this one. So we've got a brand that I've never ever had on my channel before. This is On Running. This is the box. I don't know if it's the box with every pair, but this is the box for this pair. It's got this On logo, some sort of design. Again, massive logo again with the design. On the back it's got a logo with the design. That bit's plain. Underneath is basically plain. It says recycled and all that stuff. What we need to see is the label. So this is the Cloudswift. The color is Black Rock. US 11, Euro 45, UK 10.5, Japan 29, and an 11M. It's got a little picture. I don't know what any of this other stuff means, not gonna lie. It's whatever. And when we get into the box, when you open the box, it actually has a message. And the message says, you're thinking about what's inside the box, but what about the box itself? To reduce its environmental impact, the box is made of 100% recycled cardboard and uses only water-based inks. Recycle it again to send it for another run on-running.com. Then the paper has got that On Running logo all over it. If you can see it depending on the light. And get straight inside. This is the shoe. So I'll be honest, I've seen these shoes, like I've seen some people wear them for years now, or quite a few years, and I thought, wow, what an odd shoe that is. And then I kept seeing them now, and I thought, you know what, I gotta review them, man. I gotta try these on foot. They are quite comfortable, yeah. That could be to do with this business at the bottom, but let's just get straight into it. So the bottom is like black and white. It's got these cloud thingies. I don't know what you'd call them, to be honest. Airless air pockets, basically. It's got a bit of writing on the back. It's got that O logo. It's a bit of an odd logo. Then this is like a rubber. Then we've got mesh all on the upper. We've got plastic on the heel. Then mesh. We've got another bit of, what is that? That's like plastic and the material all in one. A type of plastic or rubber thing. Very odd materials. Looks like a neoprene on top of that. ON, so On Running. Then we've got all the mesh. Yeah, so we've got all the mesh on all the upper, everywhere. Laces, some standard laces. Nothing fancy or special. Then we've got the On logo and the Cloudswift. I don't really see shoes that have their own name on them, but some do. It's different. It is like a glove type fit, and I'll be honest, this insole, I did put them on foot for a bit. They are comfortable, but this insole is just something different, man. Look how good that looks. It is like a neoprene type thing, you know. It's like material and then the neoprene type thing, but it is quite cool. I'll be honest, I think that makes them a bit more comfortable, and a bit of foam and stuff. Decent pair that. But yeah, would I wear them? I think they've grown on me a lot, man. The comfort levels and stuff like that, the way they look, very nice. So yep, this might be my new thing. But yeah, I don't really have too much more to say. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Wait a few moments, you'll see the on foot video. And take care, my people.
Thank